Hello everybody. I am going to start a series on my daily routine. First video will be daily activities. What do I do every day? Well, first thing I do, get up out of bed. I make the bed every day. About 2 minutes later, all done. Now it's time for the shower. And of course I'm not going to show that, but I will show the aftermath and what I do to the bathroom each day. After I make my bed, and before I go take a shower on my way to the kitchen, I'll gather up my items from the day before, my cup or bottle of Dr. Pepper or whatever I got, and kind of go around and tidy everything up. Next, it's time to shave. I do this every morning. Let's begin. I'm pied, so now and so on. And now it's time to jump in the shower and enjoy the awesome vintage shower head. So the shower's done. Okay, we're done in the bathroom, right? Nope, there's work to be done after the shower. What I do after the shower is I mix up some real diluted pine sol water, just a few drops, in my 32-ounce cup, and then I'll just splash it and then come up and just run it down the tile. And then repeat. And then one more pass in the tub just to kind of rinse everything out. But wait, there's more. Dry the faucets off so we don't have water spots, as well as the spout and the stopper and the soap dish. Next is the sink area. I'll just splash a little pine sol here and a little there. Put that back up and rinse the sink out. And then put that up. And finally is the wipe. Wipe the counter area down. And to not waste a wipe, wipe the toilet down quickly. And in the trash. And then a little pine sol for a good time. just wipe these faucet handles down over here. A little bit while that's wet. And then I put fresh towels out for Sunday. And that's the dirty clothes for the wash. That gets done next. And now the bathroom's all tidied up and ready to go for next time. Don't have a bunch of crap sitting out in the way. It's all got its place it goes. And away we go with the wash. What I do next is walk around and look for things that need attention. If I got some plants with bugs starting on them and eating them, or a disease, I will mix up some poison or whatever I need and take care of the problem. And I also take a look at the house. If there's anything that I see that needs attention, I can fix that quickly as well. Here's one thing, for example, I need to patch that rotten spot in this door before it gets worse than that. So that's an upcoming project. All this is looking good. The potatoes are likely to get early blight, so I've been keeping an eye on that. I did see one leaf on this plant with the blight on it, so I took that off and removed it and destroyed it. And also I can see what kind of broccoli I've got where man, I'm going to have a good meal here. And quickly scan this side of the garden. Everything's coming along nicely. And everything looks fine up here as well. Did have some ants trying to start around this window building a nest. And I'm not seeing any ant activity today, so that's wonderful. On the list for today is a wash of the 2004 Silverado. We had some rainy days last week and it got quite dirty. And these flowers here are starting to bloom a little bit, so that's awesome to see. While I'm waiting on my laundry, it's time to start editing a video or two. So while something's doing their thing over there, I can do something over here, and when the washer's done, I can put it in the dryer and come back over here and work on this video some more, and then, you know, go fold the clothes when they're done, and then come back in here and work on videos. Sunday is dedicated to working on videos, so that's what I'll be doing here. Well, I got done editing a couple of videos, so that worked out well, and I got a little bit of gardening stuff to do outside this evening and wash the truck, and I'll be done for this day. So thank you so much for watching my Sunday routine. Stay tuned for Monday, coming up in 8 days.